Welcome back to Q&A Web YouTube channel. In this video we will learn step by step how to build school management system software. We can easily create professional school management system software using premium source code. You get professional admin panel to control the website. Through this admin panel you can control all the features of the website. Also you can change all types of functionality through admin panel. You can also create user panels of different categories. You will find all kinds of functionality to develop school management software in the source code. You can purchase this premium source code from Envato. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you will get lifetime updated version of the website and lifetime developer support. Using this source code you can create professional school management system software. Domain hosting is required if you want to publish school management system software online. You can buy high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will give the discount link of Hostinger website in the video description. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for 5 years. Because the domain hosting service quality of Hostinger is very good. You are getting money back guarantee from Hostinger for 1 month. If you don't like your domain hosting within a month, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. After purchasing domain hosting, we will get a dashboard like this. Now we need to change the PHP version. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now click on public HTML folder. After purchasing the source code we will be provided with a zip file and purchase PDF file. Now we will extract this zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Now we need to extract this zip file. We will choose a folder name. Then delete this zip file. Now we will select all these zip files, then submit these zip files to public HTML folder. Now delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we have to do purchase verification. Then we need to add the database to the website. For this we need to create database in hosting panel. Now we will submit the database information here. Now we will copy this database information and add it to the website. Now let's go next step. Now we have to submit admin login information. Our school management system software is installed complete. Now our website is completely ready. Now you can change all the features of the website by logging into the admin panel. Because you can control all types of features on the website through the admin panel. In this video we learn how to create a professional school management system website. If you have any questions about this video then comment. or email to contact us directly. Thank you so much watching this full video.